running down my leg. I'd kill for a cookie. Stingray and double-sided Scooby snack. Yeah, we pick our hotel. Help me burn that old man.
I can't, dude.
Yeah, let's freaking burn that guy. Hit him on the eyeball. Don't offend me.
Can I have this sloth? The skunk. I can't believe there's a manhole and he fell in it.
I want it now. I want cake now. I want it now.
I found Fido. Hey, I found Fido. I found Fido, you guys. Stank. Ham bone.
Hey, I'd love to get you a Mai Tai.
Come on, I'll make it myself. Is that a bother?
What's wrong with him?
Ooh, I'm white.
Hello, my lovely peeps, and welcome to another power-packed Phillips podcast. Your MSAs. There will be after-school tutoring tomorrow with yours truly, Mr. Phillips. We have worked out problems 1 through 8 from this week's EOC review packet. Check it out. Log in the Blackboard. They're there. Don't forget that you can exchange your homework club tickets for a wristband tomorrow morning in the media center if you haven't done so already. You can be out of dress code this Friday. Homework tonight is from workbook page 71, problems 12 and 14. Please complete the homework tonight, problems 12 and 14 from page 71 on a piece of graph paper. The homework tonight is from one of our previous podcasts, which would have been lesson 6.7, part 1, part 2, or part 3. So if you need to go back and look at your notes, you're more than welcome to. Don't forget your EOC review packet is due on Monday, and there will be a 5-question quiz this Friday on this week's packet. Let's get our engines started. Today's notes is on lesson 7.1, solving linear systems by graphing. Linear systems by graphing. It's really not that hard. All right, let's talk about what a system of linear equations is. If you look at this first example, we have x plus 2y equals 7. That is a linear equation written in standard form. We have 3x minus 2y equals 5. That is also a linear equation written in standard form. So what do you need to know? You need to know that when you have two or more linear equations, that is called a system of linear equations. When you have two or more linear equations, that is called a system of linear equations. So here we have two linear equations. Two or more linear equations is known as a system of linear equations. One way to find the answer or the solution of a system is by graphing. And we usually say that a solution of a system is an ordered pair. So we are looking for an ordered pair to give us our answers for x and y. So we have a problem here. That might look difficult at first, but if you use your karate skills, it's really not that bad. Do you need to draw the graph? No, this time you do not need to draw the graph. But in your homework tonight, you will. Notice that we have two linear equations here. So that is going to make a system. Here's equation 1, here's equation 2. Notice that the two linear equations intersect, or they cross over, or they touch each other right here at 3, 2. So the question you ask yourself is, oh my gosh, we had an accident. The solution for a system of linear equations is simply what streets or what ordered pair did the accident happen at. In this case, the accident happened at 3, 2. So we would have to tell our firefighters, if we were giving them directions because their GPS failed, to leave the fire station, which is always located right here at the origin, and you would have to tell the firefighters that they would have to go 3 spaces to the right, and they would have to go up 2 to get to the accident. So 3, 2 is our solution. The solution is where the lines intersect. So here's how you can check it. If you would, please write down this equation. 3x minus 2y equals 5. To check it, we are going to substitute, plug and chug, put 3 in for x, and we're going to put 2 in for y. This means we have 3 times 3, and we have negative 2 times 2. 3 times 3 is going to give us 9. Negative 2 times positive 2 is going to give us 4. Negative. We're going to do 9 minus 4, or positive 9 and negative 4. That gives us 5. 5 does equal 5, so our answer checks. Now let's try the other system. Please write down the linear equation x plus 2y equals 7. We're going to substitute again 3 for x, and we're going to substitute 2 for y. So we have 3 plus 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is going to give us 4. If we add 3 and 4, that gives us 7. Once again, 7 does equal 7, so it checks. So what do you need to remember from today's podcast? You need to remember that when you have 2 linear equations, we call that a system of linear equations. And you need to remember that at whatever ordered pair the lines intersect, we refer to that as the solution. Wherever the lines intersect would be the solution to the problem. To check it, substitute in an ordered pair, plug and chug. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.